My name is Mark Hawkins, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about my new venture, Rebuilding.Credit. Um, I started this venture because of a personal family financial crisis, if you will, that led me to having to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy. My discharge happened about 100 days after filing this year in 2020. And one of the first things that I needed to do is, because it swallowed up all of my credit cards, Capital One, American Express, Discover, Wells Fargo. I banked at Wells Fargo for 37 years. So that meant I need to find a new bank. It meant that I need to find a new credit card. While I did open an account at a local bank here in Long Beach, California. I actually found something better. This is Chime. Chime answered my need for a credit card because all of my other cards had been swallowed up in the bankruptcy. And even if you haven't declared bankruptcy and do not intend to or whatever, what Chime does for you is you use it for like a debit card. You use it if you use your debit card right now. Why? It doesn't touch your credit. It does not, it doesn't do anything for you. Use this instead of the debit card, and it builds your credit. And you're protected because you're using your own money. It's a secure card. I know you're going to love it, and I'm here to vouch for the Credit Builder program. It is one of the best tools I've found thus far. Don't forget to subscribe to the video channel as I continue to update with my progress with new tools, new credit scores, and as I say, I've just gotten started. This is brand new, but I wanted to get this published so I could tell you about the promo they have, $75 credited to your account when you open an account before January 7th. I wish you a happy new year, 2021. It's got to be better than 2020, right? And we're going to have a great, great rebuilding season. Yours in good health. Take care. Bye-bye.
Introducing a brand new way to build credit. Meet Chime Credit Builder, a secured credit card with no annual fees and no interest, no credit check to apply, and no minimum security deposit required. Building credit has never been easier. First, move money into the Credit Builder secured account from your Chime spending account. You decide how much, how often. Second, use your Credit Builder card anywhere Visa is accepted. At the end of the month, you can pay off your balance with the money set aside in your secured account. Then, watch your credit score go up as we report your monthly payments to the major credit bureaus. Whether it's gas or groceries, now everyday purchases can count towards building credit. See what our members are saying about Credit Builder. Chime, better banking for everyone.